Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Chip Savings App. Review my UK high interest savings experience. Chip Savings App. Review my UK high interest savings experience helps UK residents save money by automatically analysing their spending habits and transferring small amounts into a separate savings account. It targets individuals looking for a simple and automated way to boost their savings, particularly those who may struggle with traditional saving methods. Key features include automatic savings, roundups, and access to various savings accounts with potentially higher interest rates. Their website provides details on the different savings accounts offered and their associated interest rates. Chip promotes its ease of use, highlighting the automatic nature of the savings process and the ability to customize savings plans. They emphasize the transparency of their pricing, stating no hidden fees. Compared to traditional banks, Chip potentially offers access to higher interest savings accounts and automates the process of putting money aside. The app uses algorithms to analyze spending and determine affordable savings amounts. Availability is specifically for UK residents, and you can check eligibility on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Chip Savings App. Review my UK high interest savings experience. Getting started was incredibly simple. I connected my current account to the app in just a few minutes, and the onboarding process clearly explained how the automatic savings feature works. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and view my savings progress. I particularly like the Roundups feature, which automatically rounds up purchases to the nearest pound and transfers the difference to my savings account. For example, a £2.50 coffee would result in a 50p transfer. I found this a painless way to save without even thinking about it. The performance has been reliable, and I've experienced no issues with the app or transfers. I did have a quick question about changing my savings target, and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, showing a clear breakdown of my savings and interest earned. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated savings, as it took the effort out of saving. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated investment option within the app itself, although they do provide information on external investment platforms. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Chip and believe it's a great tool for anyone in the UK looking to simplify their saving process and potentially earn higher interest. That's my overview of Chip Savings App. Review my UK high interest savings experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.